In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce with ease, ensuring that you navigate this essential platform confidently. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refreshing walkthrough, this guide will take you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started by heading over to the Salesforce login page. Open your preferred web browser and enter login.salesforce.com in the address bar, then hit enter. This will bring you to the main login page for Salesforce. It's where you'll start your journey into the platform, so keep this link handy if you use Salesforce regularly. Now that you're on the login page, the first thing you'll do is type in your username. Your username is usually your email address that is linked to your Salesforce account. Just click on the username field and enter your username, double-checking for any typos or errors. If you're using a shared or public computer, always make sure the Remember Me option is unchecked to protect your account security. Once you've got your username filled in, it's time to enter your password. Move on to the password field and carefully type in your password associated with the Salesforce account. It's important to be precise here. Passwords are typically case-sensitive, so double-check if your caps lock is off and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If you ever forget your password, there's a Forgot Password link on the page that can help you reset it, but it's best to have it on hand. After you've entered both your username and password, the next step is straightforward. Locate the Login button on the page and give it a click. If everything has been input correctly, this will take you right into your Salesforce dashboard, where you can begin managing your data, accessing contacts, or diving into analytics. This process of logging in may seem simple, but being methodical helps avoid errors, especially when you're in a hurry. Always be sure that you're on the official Salesforce login page and never share your login credentials with others to keep your information secure. If you're accessing Salesforce in a professional setting, consider enabling additional security measures like two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. That's it for this login tutorial. We hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. With these steps mastered, you can efficiently access your Salesforce account and focus on what matters most, be it customer relationship management, sales tracking, or data analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon for more helpful guides and tutorials.